Did you guys know that you could save 50% off your labor cost fast? Check this out, you guys. Those fabulous folks over there at Outs.us can hook you up. This is about Tahita's Ghetto Fabulous Kitchen, you guys. Her new cookbook is coming out soon, you guys. This is gonna be fantastic. Ghetto recipes, secret recipes, you guys. The book is coming out very soon. Tahita is so proud. She's so awesome. And what do you mean? You don't know Tahita? Well, Tahita is a phenomenal person. This is all about her. This is her flavor. Look at that sizzling, sizzling, sizzling kitchen, you guys. And that flavor, that beauty, that makeup, that body, that face, that style, and that food, those desserts. You guys, you've got to check out Tahita's Ghetto Fabulous Kitchen Cookbook, you guys. It is so fantastic. It's coming out on Google Play and the App Store, and of course over at the website, you guys, as well. Look at these corn, everything meat, and look at that. She's fun, she's fabulous, and the spread is so amazing. Times, difficulties, everything is there. Look at this fabulous. Yummy, 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 yummy. Tahita's Ghetto Fabulous Kitchen, baby. This is gonna be awesome. Food you love, food you miss, all of that great stuff. Here, you guys, coming out, more food. You guys can't believe it. Tahita's Ghetto Fabulous Kitchen Cookbook. Learn how to do this no matter where you are in the world, whether you black, white, ghetto, or not. Get your copy now. Available on Google Play and the App Store, and of course on the website over there as well. You guys, globally available. Ghetto Fabulous Kitchen Food by Tahita. Presented by those great folks over there at Kareem International Business Development, turning your dreams into reality, celebrating 20 years